and welcome to ISTV English News. Let's take a look at the top stories first. Manipur today observes World Disabled Day. Social Welfare Minister Mirabai assures disabled persons of all possible assistance and appointment of commissioner. Now the news in details. Today, the third day of December is observed as International Day of Persons with Disabilities on the theme Break Barriers, Open Doors for an Inclusive Society for All. The day is observed all over the state by the government as well as various voluntary organizations. The main function was organized by Social Welfare Department at Kuman Lampak, Kangshang. Social Welfare Minister A.K. Mirabai, Principal Secretary Barun Mitra, and Social Welfare Director L. Ibobi Singh took part in the observance. Tricycles, wheelchairs and other aids were distributed to the disabled persons as part of the observance. Speaking at the occasion, Director L. Ibobi informed that the campaign for verification and recognition of disabled persons will also be conducted at district headquarters. He also said the campaign is still under process at JNIMS, Health Directorate and other districts, and he gave a detailed account of various schemes taken up for disabled persons by his department. Principal Secretary Barun Mitra appealed to the people not to discriminate against the disabled and to take special care of the disabled children. Expressing concern for the disabled, Minister Mirabai said the abled and disabled persons have the same rights. She appealed to the parents not to conceal the disability of their wards. Stressing on the various welfare schemes taken up by her department, Mirabai said 3% quota is reserved for government jobs for the disabled. The minister also assured them of the appointment of a regular commissioner for the disabled.
Social Welfare Department haibasi makoigi nodal department oina lairaba department asigi sahi khudingi lairiba makoigi oina piriba khudong chaba mayam singse phangan biduna loinana masagi aikoi educational line da tongan batreta makoi busu involvement tawanduna makoigi haidoi singdoiba kaya aduna laibak asida aikoi awonba peace amadi nungai ai praba purakna ba honabada makoi gi ju saruk ya hanchi haibase mai ai ngasigi lamdam masida lariba laipak asida lariba nagrik khuding makta aina masigi numit asida asimachu aina thamjaningi.
Handicapped Development Foundation Manipur also observed the day on the theme Break Barrier, Open Door for an Inclusive Society for All at Manipur Press Club. President of the foundation Dr. H. Rupachandra, AMJU President W. Shamjai, AMUCO President Dr. Y. Mani Kuman, UCM President Y. Nabachandra and Zeliangrong Union Assam Manipur Nagaland President Amu Kamai attended the function. As part of the day, supportive equipment for the disabled were distributed to the selected disabled by the dignitaries. Speaking at the function, Amu Kamai lambasted the government's failure to take up welfare schemes for the disabled in the state.
State ki oinidi nodal agency, state ki nodal agency amama laigirabani. State ki nodal agency sina min dayana mistaya mokhok devana kaya. Adi itinu soina ba hai disabled si nasi survey tauka report biyo hai si social department matam sana bikibra.
Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh led all political parties delegation got an appointment with the Prime Minister today. Sources said the delegation will meet the Prime Minister tonight at 8 p.m. and will submit a memorandum and urge him to bring about an amicable solution to the Indo-Myanmar border fencing issue. Now let's head for a short commercial break. We'll be right back. Welcome back after the break. A discussion was held today on the impact of conflict between armed men on women and children as a part of the International Fortnight Observation protesting violence against women. The discussion held at Press Club was organized by Women Action for Development, Northeast Dialogue Forum, United NGOs Mission Manipur, Conflict Widow Forum, People's Platform Secretariat, Village Women Coordinating Committee, Association of Landmine Survivors and Care Me Group. Women who became widows due to conflict situation shared their experiences. Human Rights Alert's Basanta read out the rules laid by the United Nations to be implemented in a conflict-stricken state and the present condition of Manipur. Extrajudicial Execution Victims Family Association President Nina spoke on the problems faced by women and children due to armed conflicts in Manipur.
family couple oina nuaina car tonga sabmina ba magi kusi oina family oina nuaina kusi do atui pame adu ai laibak ta tamamre ai jenganna ai mende on sinelu krabi hai wa hi jena senga hai di haini ga bare ui du haina dum haire ge koi mai te ron hai ru chatna bi hai ba sai ya nungju nungai jade adu ga koi society mina lu krabi na pan ba si so adu nungai jade ba ma ai de dum leiye.
Department of Horticulture and Soil Conservation Manipur today organized a training of florists on commercial cultivation of flower under Northeast Council's Project Development of Floriculture in Manipur at the Directorate of Horticulture LSC Training Hall, Sanjethong. A.S. Ningmi, Joint Director Horticulture Department, said Manipur is suitable for flower cultivation due to its varied climatic conditions. Horticulture Department has identified 6 places to cultivate flowers under the Northeast Council project. Out of 700 orchid species found in the world, 251 species are found in Manipur, which will help Manipur to be a part of India's flower map if the florists work hard. And now let's take a look at the top stories once again. Manipur today observes World Disabled Day. Social Welfare Minister Mirabai assures disabled persons of all possible assistance and appointment of Commissioner. Thanks for watching ISTV News. Do stay tuned for more updates.